Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming you're in the right account and opening Calendar. Once done, switch to Calendar View in Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web. Make sure you can see the list under My Calendars and identify the specific calendar being shared. If you have multiple calendars, click the one you intend to change so its settings become available. Once selected, look for Share, Permissions, or Manage Access. That's where you'll remove sharing. Now proceed to the Permissions controls. Now open Share or Manage Access for that calendar and review the list of people and groups. You'll remove each person by selecting Remove or selecting a more restrictive permission, such as changing to Can View when I'm busy. That limits detail without fully granting access. For shared links or public publishing, revoke or disable the link so external access ends. Make sure to save or confirm each change. Outlook sometimes requires an explicit save, update, or done click to apply permission edits. Finish by saving changes and closing the permissions dialog, then verify the update. You can ask one former recipient to try opening the calendar or check Manage Access again to confirm they're gone. If someone still sees it, make sure you removed all group memberships and disabled any published calendar links. If changes don't apply, sign out and back in or clear Outlook cache. These steps force a refresh. Finally, document who lost access so you can restore it later if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.